Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. We're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and are easy to understand. Alright, let's get started.
In today's tech tip, we're going to be talking about how to use Spotlight to do unit conversions. This can be useful when you need like a quick measurement conversion, if you're doing some type of cooking, or if you're doing any type of math work that might involve needing to do like convert numbers from gallons to ounces, or maybe kilometers to miles per hour, things of that nature. So to get started with this, we need to either go up to Spotlight and click on this magnifying glass in the corner, or you can press the Apple spacebar to bring it up as well. Now that I have my Spotlight open, I'm going to type in a unit measurement that I want to get converted. So for example, let's say I want to convert what is 88 miles per hour, and it's going to show me 88 miles per hour is 141.62 kilometers per hour. And then also you can see it's going to show me a couple other ones right here. And that's all you need to know about how to use Spotlight to do measurement conversions. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below.
Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. Alright, see you in the next one.